because a friend of mine is visiting from Hyderabad and
Fine, if I don't meet someone soon.
Take my
don't drink and drive.
We're
And
gonna
I
go
think
to
it's
Central
time for a
Park.
little shopping haul.
Lie under blue skies, sunshine, a bottle of wine. Talk about our daydreams. Hey,
Yeah,
it seems
it's
we're
okay,
kind of
that's okay.
alike. Wave our hands at every single
Monica,
under blue skies,
when I
sunshine,
end the
a
day.
bottle of wine. Talk about our daydreams. Hey, it seems we're crossing the line.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Tarasha and welcome to another weekend in my life or a few days in my life vlog. Well, happy Saturday, happy start to the weekend. So as you can tell, I'm all ready because we're heading out to Delhi. So I'm heading out to Select City Walk because a friend of mine is visiting from Hyderabad and me and Abby, we both are going to meet him, and we decided on going to a mall instead of an open space because, well, it's the monsoon season and it starts raining like cats and dogs at any time of the day. So we thought it would be safe to meet up at a mall, and currently he is situated like very far away from us, so the Select City Walk would be a meeting point, like a halfway point for both of us. So yeah, I just finished having lunch, just had some ghar ke sukhe aloo with plain parantha, and now I'm all ready to head out. But the thing is, we did not have a morning coffee yet and it's almost 2 p.m. So I thought, why not to make one for the way. So let's head into the kitchen. I've already taken out the coffee shot. I just need to pack it up and let's go. Your phone is always glitchy. You should switch to iPhone, iOS.
Never.
Why never? I made you switch once. What is this? What is this? Reading, not reading, reading, not reading. Huh?
कहीं सुना नहीं हुआ इंस्टाग्राम पे?
नहीं. What did they say? Don't drink and drive. Okay, can we take a moment for the sky? Like, what is this? A Pixar movie? It's so clear today with just a few soft white clouds floating around like the background extras in a rom-com. It just looks so unreal. And I don't know what it is, but there's something about the city that always hits different. The little chaos, the tall buildings, the energy on a Saturday, I love it all. Fun fact though, if you didn't already know, we are both from Chandigarh, so technically we are mountain and chart people at heart. Like, the mountains are just 1 hour drive away, but we have fallen hard for the city life. The vibe, the variety, the noise, it's all part of this big, messy, beautiful thing we now call home. Alright guys, we have almost reached, but my friend is running a bit late and both AB and me have a couple of errands to run. Like, AB needs to exchange a Uniqlo item, so I brought it with me, and I need to recycle some clothes at H&M. So I think while we are waiting for him, we might as well get those errands done with. So yeah, I will be heading into the mall now and I'll see you guys shortly.
कोई को ब्रो डाल
Bonita.
Not much. Is it because of the con? Fine, if I don't meet someone soon, you can put me in a home. We never put me on a home.
I think I'm speaking to you after a couple of days, and the last time you saw I was in Select City Walk. Well, I had such an amazing day. Like, I met my friend after such a long time, and you know what, it's really hard with long distance friendships. Also, fun fact, we actually bonded over the toxicity in our workplace, and now things are really different. Like, he has shifted to Hyderabad, so I get to see him only twice or thrice in a year, and I just can't wait to see him around Diwali. I guess that is when he'll be visiting again. But we shared so much which was going on for a few months. We shared laughter, coffee, and just had the most wonderful time. I met him for a very short duration, I think only a couple of hours, but still it was fun. And after seeing him off, we just strolled around the mall. I think I already mentioned it in the vlog, but AB had to return a few items at Uniqlo, and we just happened to step into a couple of other stores as well. And I think it's time for a little shopping haul. I wasn't planning on buying much, even though we were at a shopping mall, but some things just find you. So let's start with H&M. I think that's the most exciting one. So if you have been watching my vlogs, you know the pink night suit. Yup, the one with the little red hearts. At this point, it's a part of my personality. That's all I wear. I wash it, I iron it, and wear it again. That is how much I love it. And you guys, it's so lightweight, so breathable, perfect for hot summer days. And if you know, I was on a hunt for another variant in the same one. Okay, so a backstory. I found that pink night suit in CP's H&M, and there was a second variant. It was really pretty, like pastel blue colors with little flowers. The same way the pink one had hearts, it had flowers, and it was so pretty. It was just around winters, and I was like, I'm not sure I'm gonna wear this pink one in the next summers. I do not know if I'll feel that good wearing it, because it was a change in style for me personally. So I just got the pink one, left the store, cut short to 2025 summers, and I am absolutely living in it. I'm not even exaggerating, that's the truth. And then I just wanted each and every variant in it. So I went to CP's H&M to find it. I hunted the entire store, but I could not find it anywhere. If you remember the tan coffee vlog, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And then as we were just dropping off our used clothes bag, like the one which you recycle at H&M, so I donate most of my clothes, but the ones that are not in a condition to donate, I recycle those at H&M. And while I was dropping a bag, I saw a girl with the same pink night suit that I wear all the time, and me and AB, we both froze. By the way, he knows all my crazies, so he knows that I wanted another night suit like from H&M. So we just dropped the bag at the counter and then rushed to the loungewear section, and I laid my eyes on this one. This is the same fit. I did try it on, so I know that it fits me really well. Oh my god, this is so cute and breathable. I had to get it, and I availed the 15% discount code that I got for my recycling. Next up, I got a very pretty bowl for my nightstand. Sorry guys, I got tired of sitting down. I don't know, my back is hurting since morning. So I got up on the bed, and now I'm gonna talk you through the rest of the haul. Apologies, but I think the last thing we spoke about was this bowl that I wanna put on my nightstand. I wanna keep my lip balm, my jewelry when I take it off when I end the day, and my Apple Watch and stuff. I purely wanted it for the convenience, but also wanted to maintain the aesthetic. aesthetics. You know, I'm trying to revamp our entire house slowly because I feel like we have really old furniture and we recently got a new dining table, but I'm trying to make little small changes that makes me feel up to date, but also like I'm at a home that I designed. So keeping that in mind, like minimal textures is what I wanted to go for. Also, this was on sale and I got it for 6.99 rupees. The original price was 16.99, so it is a steal. And even if it does not look good at the nightstand, I think it would look great at any place around the house. And then the third thing that I got from H&M has a story time. So I got this necklace slash bracelet holder kind of thing, and let me tell you why. Because AB broke mine. Actually, he broke two. So this was him compensating for all my loss. Again, the minimal aesthetics, and I mean it's cute, so we forgive him. And then we also went to Uniqlo. I think I've already mentioned it in the vlog, but AB wanted to exchange a t-shirt of his. It was like a baggy t-shirt and it did not look that good on him, so instead I got a linen pant, and this is the one. It's so breathable, so lightweight. I absolutely love it and I cannot wait to style it with some plain linen shirts and sandals. Or like, I told them the bracelet holder story that you broke too. They like it, we forgive you, that's okay. Okay, so he got me some juice. So I was saying that I wanna style it with some plain linen shirt and black heels or sandals. I'll see. I think it'll also look good with sneakers. I'm really excited to wear it on my coffee dates and such. And the last thing is this body lotion from the Body Shop. Like, I love my good old Nivea, but once in a while I feel like having something special, and body care is something that I want to prioritize and invest more in, like, moving forward. So this was a great start, and the fragrance, it's so good, and this is vegan too. This smells really good. That was it for the haul, and now I'm thinking of ordering something for lunch because I'm not in a mood to cook today. I do not know why. I've been having so many home cooked meals and it's really been a while since we ordered in, so I'm not really sure what we want to have. I mean, I do not want to have junk food, but like in healthy, I think there are only a few options like salads or even South Indian. So let's see, but I'll keep you guys posted. So we settled on some South Indian food, and the food's gonna take around 30 to 45 minutes to arrive. And well, I've got that time, so I might as well get some things under control. I need to prep granola because we are all out of it, and this household simply cannot do without it. So while I sip on my juice, I think I'm gonna prep some things for granola and just throw it in the oven because it's that easy. So yeah, let's go into the kitchen. Alright, the granola is prepped. It literally took me 5 to 7 minutes, that's it. And this is my old jar. It's so empty. Now I'm just gonna put it in the oven and be done with it. Okay, the food is here. I ordered from Sarvana Bhavan. So the two places I like are Sarvana Bhavan and Sagaratna. Both of them are too good. We ordered 2 dosas and idli and medu vada. Can't wait to dig in. I'll take it to the table and I'll show you guys what I got. So here's everything that we got. We ordered 1 masala dosa, 1 coconut rava dosa plain, not the masala one, and this has idli and medu vada, then the chutneys and sambar. Oh my god, I am salivating right now.
It's nice to meet you too, Shell. I honestly didn't believe it.
No?
Now, my hunger for Sheldon is stirring.
So it is a lot of hours later, and I literally did not do anything much for the rest of the evening. I just edited the vlog that you're watching right now. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap up things now. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Make sure you're subscribed and also turn on the notifications if you haven't already. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.
She
Bye.
keeps me close. In the friend zone? Yeah, but I don't mind it too much though. Why? If my feelings don't show, say it ain't so, man, you should know that I've been saying no. But maybe you're the one I've been looking for so long, so long.